So now I would like to pass on the stage to our research fellows who have completed their project. They are from Amity University, Noida itself, and they would be sharing their experience and they would be sharing their profiles as well. And that would help you all understand why having a complete profile is important. So now I would like to invite Akanksha Singh, BTech Biotech student, Amity University, Noida, to please unmute herself and share her screen and go along with her experience.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Akanksha Singh, and I'm final year student pursuing BTech in Biotechnology from Amity University, Noida. Today, I want to share my experience with Pine Biotech. So this is my profile on Omics Logic platform, and here are the courses that I've covered during my internships. And these are the certificates that I got and for all the courses and the project link that I have completed. And these are the points that I gained during my courses. And if you click on this link, you will direct to my project that I have done. And these are the overview of my project. So, and believe me, these 12 week at Pine Biotech allow me to grow personally and also help me a lot in gaining new skills in bioinformatics and data science, cancer, genetics, and that experience that I have never had. I also gained a better understanding of transcriptomics and machine learning majorly and ran a pipeline on TBio server for my project glioblastoma, and this is the server that I gone through. They have different categories in it, and the knowledge that I gained from the fellowship programs such as exploratory analysis and algorithms like logistic regression, decision tree, and random forest has helped me in academia in understanding and getting more insights in my current subjects in present semester like artificial intelligence, machine learning, precision medicine, and immunoinformatics. I also taking an advanced courses on Python and R for upskilling my programming skills. So I strongly recommend and advise every one of you to take opportunity and do an internship. There is much gain from it on both professional and personal level. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Akanksha. That was a very beautiful experience, actually. Thank you for sharing that with us. Now, I would like to invite Thaval Kumar Srivastava, MTech Biotech student, Amity University, Noida. Over to you, Thaval.
Hello everyone, my name is Dhaval Kumar Srivastava and I'm a final year BTech MTech Biotech student. I got to know about Omics Logic via one of their webinars on big data in healthcare and then again by Dr. Abhishek Sen Gupta of AIB. For me, it was the first time that I actually interned in Dry Lab and I must say that I've actually grown fond of it. During my project, my external PI was Dr. Harpreet and Dr. Mohit, and while I was working on differentially expressed genes and their pathway analysis for prostate cancer. But before I worked on my project, I completed a few courses, and as you can see from the screen, like all the courses that I've completed and all the points that I've achieved here. Right. For each course that I completed, I got a certificate, and these certificates are here, as you can see. And then after I've completed all the courses, required courses, and I wanted to work upon my project, I designed a project for myself by going through all the latest literature regarding the same. And like I completed everything, and when I attained the certain expertise, I framed a research question for myself, and I must say I was always accompanied by Dr. Sonalika. She was a great help. We actually have a meetings on Mondays and Wednesdays, and during which we share our progress with Dr. Harpreet, our external PIs, whoever the PI is. For me, it was Dr. Harpreet, and she would comment on my progress and share her views and suggestions and always clear our doubts, whatever we had. As we know that Pine Biotech has a whole consortium of pipelines. That is a bioinfo server that will be explained later. Through one of them, I learned about R programming and R script, and that has been the base of my project from starting to ending. Uh, all in all, I can say that it has been a wonderful and informative journey, and being associated with Pine Biotech has been great.
Thank you, ma'am. All right, everyone. So hope you can see my screen very visible. And yeah, so all of you have seen what we as research fellows did at Pine Biotech. Now, what we majorly did was that we did some courses. Based on those courses, we got the certificates. Apart from that, we gave our research interest to mentors, to Dr. Harpreet, to Dr. Mohit sir. And then based on that, we worked on our project. Now, as you can see on the screen right now, we have a YouTube link of the project. We have the entire project that we did on the Pine Biotech platform. And finally, the data analysis that is present on the Bioinfo server. I'll stop the share right now and let us understand what actually helped us in doing. First, we completed the courses that are present. So we started from the very basic bytes and molecules courses and we moved on to the transcriptomics courses. So it will be all based on your research interest, what you want to do. Second is our research interest. When we do an NTCC project, we'll have to work on something. So they tell us the directions where we have to work and how we have to work it. Then whether it's cancer, whether it's COVID, whether it's epigenomics, metagenomics, they have projects for each and everything and they'll guide you to it based on your research interest. Moving on, finally, the third thing that we did was the most important, the data analysis part of it. Now, data analysis was done on the T-Bioinfo server. The data was taken from whether it's TCGA, whether it's Geo database, whether it's NCBI, all of it, you will be doing it hands-on project. Apart from this, what we got as an added bonus was we got LinkedIn shoutouts from Pine Biotech. You have to understand that this is an industry where people look at your project and then they determine whether you are a good fit for them or not. So people will see your project, they'll see how much you're progressing through it using this. Second, we got a YouTube video of our own. Whether we want to apply in a university abroad or in India, we'll send them this video, we'll send them our project links and everything, and they can see first-hand basis that what we did in the project. And the third and the final thing was that we get research-oriented mentorship, that what is our project, what we want to concentrate on. As you saw, all my friends did that, Dhaval did that, Akansha did it. So based on your research interest, we'll be helping you out on your research project. Specifically, whether you want to learn R, Python, whether you want to learn genomics from the basics. So everything is done step by step in here. So that is what we received as students from Pine Biotech, and it was a very brilliant journey as shared by all my friends, and a very enthralling one as well because you'll get to learn a lot from it. And yes, that was my experience, and it was brilliant in a sense. So over to Sonalika ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Hriday. That was very insightful. Thank you for sharing your experience. Okay, now I would like to call Aditya. Aditya,
hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, ma'am. So, can you guys see my screen?
Yes, Aditya, we can see your screen.
So, good afternoon, everyone. And I'm Aditya, BTech Biotechnology student, 4th year. So, I had my project topic in mind from before, but I was lacking some of the, major guidance on how to proceed further with the topic that I chose. And here comes the crucial part, which I like to say that it is plenty of data or knowledge which you can collect through the courses present in Omics Logic website itself, and they are very helpful in ways that you get very precise amount of knowledge what you need to know exactly. So they helped me a lot on building upon my project and more about how transcriptomics and genomics work and what are the main domains. Now, the topic for my project was transcriptomics analysis. So basically, I did most of my courses based on transcriptomics, and there are several other courses which you guys can choose from the website. They are like from most of the different topics which you can see on the right hand side of the screen, and they have their T browser server platform where all the pipelines which you need to analyze for the data can be found, and all of them can be easily learned through their courses. Their demos are present on how to use and how to get data out of these pipelines. So yes, I would like to say that my journey with Omics Logic was rather beautiful, and I collected a lot of knowledge and successfully completed my third year project and had earned a lot of certificates also. So I would like to thank Somix Logic, and back to you, Sonalika ma'am.
Thank you, Aditya. And last but not the least, I would like to invite Jeevanjot Kaur, BTech Biotech student, to share her experience as well as she wanted to. So over to you, Jeevan.
So, good afternoon, one and all present here, and myself, Jeevanjot Kaur, and I had been a part of Pine Biotech for my summer internship as a research fellow, and it had been a great experience with Pine Biotech. So, my journey started with, first of all, I just understood what bioinformatics is by the courses provided on the Omics Learn platform. So they are the introduction to the bioinformatics and how we can design a bioinformatic research project. Then my area of interest was genomics, so I studied the courses like genomics and R. So after that, once I understood all this, and after the completion of my courses, I started my project and completed it, and titled Bioinformatics Approach to Analyze Variants in Retinitis Pigmentosa. And the link is on the YouTube. And after the completion of the project, also I participated and represented my project in the symposium organized by the Pine Biotech itself. So it gave me experience of how to be presentable on the international platform. And when I shared all of my experience on LinkedIn, like the certificates I gained and the courses I completed and about the symposium, I had been approached by a US startup to work with them as a bioinformatics consultant for creating the variant pipelines, which I had been which I used in my project. So Omics Logic and the Pine Biotech literally helped me a lot, whether it's like I'm completing my college project or I'm gaining an experience outside college and the international experience actually. So I'm very grateful, and it is my advice to the students that if you are interested in the computational biology or you're interested in bioinformatics, then it is a great platform to work with.